Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bradenton local and long distance movers near me. If you are moving over a distance of 50 miles, it is a long distance move. A long distance move requires detailed and intelligent planning. Moving trucks also play an essential role in the success of a long distance move. Our moving trucks are specially constructed to accommodate belongings of different weights and shapes. Our trucks are also solid and well maintained. They transport your belongings with no hassles. Moving to the local area can be almost as stressful as moving a long way. You still have to pack and find the right mover. There is a lot of work involved. Luckily, 3 Movers affordable Bradenton movers are available for your local jobs. Our Bradenton Moving Company can schedule your short-distance move at a convenient time for you. If you are moving a small number of household goods, call us for a verbal estimate. But if the job is more complicated, we'd like to complete a visual survey before we submit a quote. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bradenton Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.